Welcome to this quick guide on how to react to a comment on a pin in Pinterest. Whether you're looking to show appreciation or engage with the content, it's easy to express your feelings. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to your account, as this will allow you to interact with pins and comments seamlessly. Next, from the homepage, scroll through your feed until you find the pin you want to react to. Pinterest is filled with inspiring ideas, so take your time browsing until something catches your eye. Once you've found the pin, tap on it to open it up. This will bring you to a detailed view of the pin, where you can see additional information and comments. Look for the comments section. This is where you'll find reactions from other users as well. Now, navigate to the comment you want to react to. Each comment will have a small love icon next to it. Click on this icon to show your appreciation. This simple action not only lets the commenter know you liked their input, but also encourages more interaction within the community. If you want to take it a step further, consider leaving a comment of your own. Engaging in conversations can help you connect with other users who share similar interests. And that's it. You've successfully reacted to a comment on a pin in Pinterest. This feature enhances your experience on the platform, making it easier to connect with creators and fellow pinners alike. Remember, reacting to comments is just one way to engage on Pinterest. Explore other features like saving pins or creating boards to organize your favorite finds. Happy pinning!